Microsoft Project may not allow you to open up project files that are very old. And in that case, what you can do is you can set up so that Microsoft Project allows you to open up the old files as well. So to do that, you need to go to File menu right here, and then you need to go to Options. And once you go around over here onto Options, you need to go to Trust Center right here. So once you go around over there, click on Trust Center Settings, and over here you can see Legacy Format is an option. So over here by default, you can see that it is set to do not open or save file with the legacy or non-default file formats in the project. But if you want to allow legacy format, then just go around and prompt it when loading files with legacy or non-default file format. You can also allow loading files with legacy or non-default format by default without any prompt. But you might want to be prompted out because you might want to know when you are accessing legacy format. So in this way, you can go around and set it out, and whenever you open out Microsoft Project files with legacy format, it'll prompt it out. And that is how you can go around and set up Microsoft Project for opening old project files. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.